Hello everyone, Biotech Anag here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the realm of industrial biotechnology, a force that is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing and production. Before we embark on this journey, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay abreast of our explorations into the world of science and technology. Think about a world where factories operate with greater efficiency, where waste is minimized, and sustainable practices reign supreme. That is the promise of industrial biotechnology, a dynamic field blending biology with industry for a cleaner, greener future. At the heart of industrial biotechnology lies bioprocessing, a technique utilizing microorganisms to produce valuable industrial products, from biofuels to bioplastics. This approach is reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and paving the way for a more sustainable industrial ecosystem. Enzymes are the unsung heroes of industrial biotechnology. These biological catalysts are revolutionizing manufacturing processes by enhancing efficiency and reducing energy consumption. Enzyme technology is unlocking new possibilities across various industries, from textile to food production, bit power well to single-use plastics. Industrial biotechnology is driving development of sustainable materials and packaging, from mushroom-based packaging to biodegradable polymers. These innovations are tackling the global issues of plastic pollution head-on. Industries generate vast amounts of waste, but industrial biotechnology offers solutions. Microorganisms capable of breaking down pollutants and converting waste into valuable resources are at the forefront of waste remediation efforts, promoting a circular economy. Precision is the name of the game in modern manufacturing. Industrial biotechnology is introducing precision tools and techniques that enhance the accuracy and efficiency of production processes. This not only reduces cost but also minimizes environmental impact. As we embrace the benefits of industrial biotechnology, it's crucial to address ethical considerations and establish robust regulatory frameworks. Striking a balance between innovation and responsible industrial practice is paramount for a sustainable future. Industrial biotechnology is reshaping the machinery of progress, ushering in an era of sustainable, efficient, and environmentally friendly manufacturing. If you found this exploration intriguing, give us a thumbs up and share the video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What industrial wonders should we unravel next? Let us know. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep building the future. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, join us on the path of technological discovery. Thanks for being with us, and we'll catch you in the next video.